Hey friends, let's jump straight into it now. Our intro is also our chorus, and we're going to start with this G over C. Just play the third fret on the A, open D, open G, third fret B and E, and this is coming in before the first bar, so it's an and 4 and we're going to go up, down, up. Then go to C, 2 downs, back to the G over C, up, up, down, up. So we have up, down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to this C6 chord. We're going to play the third fret on the A, mute the D. We're going to have the second fret on the G, first fret on the B, and third fret on the E. And we're going to do it 2 downs again there. Down, down. Go back to the G over C. Up, down, up. Then we're jumping to a C minor 7, 2 downs, to a C11, so just bar the third fret. Up, down, up. Go back to the C minor 7, 2 downs, down, down. Then when we get to the C11 again, just go up on there. Then we're jumping to an F add 9. So just play the F chord and add the third fret on the E string. And we're going to do a up, down, down, back to F, up, down, up. F add 9, down, down, back to F, up, down, up. To a C sus2, we're going to do down, down, to a C, up, down, up, back to the C sus2, down, down, and to the C, up, down, up. So let's do that slowly because it's a bit confusing. The C, G over C to the C6, back to the G over C, C minor 7, C11, C minor 7, C11 to the F add 9, F add 9, F to our C sus2, C sus2, C. And that's our intro and our chorus there. So for our verse, we're just going to a C minor 7. We're going to do 2 bars with our down, down, up, down, up, and again down, down, up. 2 F minor, do exactly the same. 2 bars, down, down, up, down, up. To an A flat bar chord, just 1 bar, down, down, up. Then we're going to D flat over F, so we're just adding in that first fret on the E string, 1 bar there. Down, down, up. And then back to our C sus2 to our C 2 times, like we did in the intro. So down, down, up, down, up. And we do that through 2 times, and that's our verse there. So for our pre-chorus, we're just starting on an F minor add 9 chord here. So just play the third fret on the D, first fret on the G, first on the B, and third on the E, and we're just doing 1 bar, same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Then just go to a D minor 7, do that for a bar. Down, down, up, and do that 3 times. Then the 4th time, go back to the F minor add 9 again, 1 bar. Then jump to a G, and we're just going to go down, down, up. And that's our pre-chorus there. So then for our chorus, we just play the intro through 2 times. Now the only change here is the last C. So we have our C sus2 to our C sus2. Then when we go to the C, just do an up, and we're going straight back to our G over C again there. Just start it off again. So just that last part there. And that gets us back around for the second cycle through. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and that's the same, pre-chorus the same, then the chorus is the same again. Then we have the solo rhythm, and we'll do the solo at the end. So for our solo rhythm, we're just going to start on the C and do 2 bars with our strumming pattern. Back to F for 2 bars. Then we're going to do a D minor 7 over D sharp. So we're going to have the first fret on the D string, second fret on the G, first fret on the B and the E, and 2 bars there. Then just go to D minor, do a bar there, and then a bar on G. So we just played that through 2 times. Then on the last G we're going to change a little bit to get us ready for the chorus again. We're going to do a down, down, up, and then we're straight into the chorus again. Up, down, up to our G over C. So that's only the 2nd time through there. From our solo rhythm we just go back to the chorus and we repeat that all the way through to the end. And they're all the rhythm parts. So we're going to start with this little run. We have 10 on the A string, D, 7, 9, 10, G, 7, 9, 10, B, 8, and then do G, 7, slide to 9, back to B, 10, 8. Then slide up to 14 on the G. Go to B, do 13 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then bend on 15 G and play 13 B 2 times again. Then play it another 2 times, and the 3rd time we're going to slide back to 11. 1, 2, 3. Then on the 11, play it another 2 times, and then again and slide back to 10. Play 10 another 2 times, then the 3rd one slide back to 8. Then play the 8 2 more times, do a bend on 10G, and then we're going to bend on 12G, bend and release, and play 12. Then we go back to the 10 on the G and do another bend and release on 12. And then we just play 12 6 more times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that part's slowly. Then we're jumping to the E string 15, slide back to 12, play 12 again, then palm mute 12 on the B, and then play it another 2 more times, 12 on the G 2 times, 14 on the D, back to the G, 12, 14, B, 12, 13, then E, 15, 12, 12, B, 13 2 times, G, 14 2 times, back to 12, 14, then back to E, we're going to slide up to 13, play it again, 13 2 times on the B, 14 2 times on the G, back to 12 2 times, back to 14 2 times. And then to finish it off, we have 13 2 times on the E, 12, 13, 15 on the B, back to E, 12, 13, 15, 15 on the B, back to E, 12, 13, 15, do a bend and release on 15. And then we just have 20 on the E 2 times, and back to 15 2 times, and do that 8 times there. And that's our solo, and that's all the parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Kiss on My List Guitar Lesson by Hall and Oats. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s pop, rock and glam, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.